Today's story reminds us that no matter our past, Jesus offers us a new beginning. One day, Jesus was traveling through Samaria. Tired from the journey, he sat down by a well around noon. Soon a Samaritan woman came to draw water. She came alone at the hottest time of day because she was ashamed. She had been judged, talked about, and rejected by others. Jesus looked at her and said, "Will you give me a drink?" She was surprised. Jews didn't speak to Samaritans. Men didn't speak to women like this. But Jesus crossed every barrier. As they talked, Jesus gently revealed that he knew her life, her pain, her broken relationships, and her past mistakes. Instead of condemning her, he offered her something greater. Jesus said, "Everyone who drinks this water will be thirsty again, but whoever drinks the water I give will never thirst." In that moment, the woman realized she wasn't just talking to a man. She was standing before the Messiah, her shame lifted. Her fear disappeared. Her life changed. She left her water jar behind and ran back to the town, saying, "Come and see a man who told me everything I ever did." The woman who once hid in shame became a bold witness of hope. This story teaches us, Jesus meets us where we are. He knows our past and still loves us. He doesn't shame us, he restores us. One encounter with Jesus can change everything. No matter what you've been through, no matter what others say about you, Jesus offers you living water and a brand new beginning. If this story encouraged you, please like and subscribe for more Bible stories.